this question is from environmental past papers. It says that what are the advantages and disadvantages of hydroelectric dams? What are hydroelectric dams? Hydroelectric dams are those specifically. These are the hydroelectric dams, okay? So, writing about advantages and disadvantages, what are the marks awarded for this question? 6 marks. So 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages minimum. Okay, so you can write more to ensure that you've covered the greatest or the widest mark criteria. So advantages, it's sustainable irrigation, provides sustainable irrigation. Creation of habitats for wild wetland species, creation of habitats for wetland species. As you can see, the dam is basically you're just saving water at this side. So at this side there are many fish, they're swimming up and down, enjoying the water. So these are one of the wetland species, right? Wetland species contain fish, type of fish, a type of plant or vegetation, or whatever. Plus that it provides a source of irrigation. These waters may flow to irrigate some lands in which plants just grow and thrive. This is what's meant by irrigation. Also, we can say that it also creates tourist attractions. What else? Reduce. Let me write them all instead of the bullet points. I'm going to write them as sentences. So for wetland species, it'll be here, create tourist attractions, as well as reduce the consumption of fossil fuels. Reduce the consumption of fossil fuels. As hydroelectric power, uses renewable energy resource, uses water, which is renewable, uses a renewable energy resource, plus that it doesn't produce greenhouse gases. Okay, here I just like to be fair with these questions. Count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I've just consumed 4, so just this 5th line. And I'm going to stop for the advantages. Okay, what else? Just try to squeeze your mind and find others. Like that Provide more job opportunities, provides more job opportunities. What else? What it does? Huge amount of water is stored in a reservoir or a dam or behind a dam. Reservoir. Stored in a reservoir. So water is available all year round. What else we can write as an extra advantage? Generate power. Okay, fine. We know this. But we need something like an advantage. Okay. It can be on a large scale or small scale. On a large or small scale. What does that mean? That means that the dams are just made according to the area provided for you. If you wanted to make it small, I just don't mean that small like a lake. No, I mean small like 50 meters squared or 100 meters squared, like such long distances, or long areas. So large or small scale, it's up to the area provided for you and how you want the distribution of water and blah, blah, blah. Not our problem in here. Let's start with the disadvantages, which are noise, air, and water. Water pollution, yes. Water pollution when being built. Occur when being built. Also, reduces or loss of habitats, so loss of biodiversity. Or reduces, sorry. Let's start with reduces. Reduces bio habitats. So reduces biodiversity. You can say also that. Why here I said more habitats and as a disadvantage I said loss of habitats. What had happened? This is during building process. When you're building, there is a reduction of habitats and reduction of biodiversity. However, when you just finished building and you built your dam, right here there is a static habitat in which animals like fish or plants can breathe safely. And nothing is going to occur again, interrupting disruption in food webs. See, disruption is caused in food webs. Because obviously biodiversity would cause disruption in food webs. That's an inescapable byproduct. What else? You're going to say that the dams are going to alternating water supply for people downstream the dam. Supply for people downstream stream the dam. Well, we can say there are lots of, by the way, just remember as much as you can and try to always imagine the shape of it. Oh my god, I just remembered one. See, if you try to remember the shape, because of that I put stickers near each question to just recall the shape easily. However, you're not supposed to recall it alone, haha. We can say that reduction in soil enrichment, reduction in soil enrichment. So less jobs for farmers, or loss of jobs for farmers when their farms are affected. When their farms are affected, this would obviously cause migration of people. And displacement. Displacement is the same as migration, just, adding extra words in case migration wasn't in the mark scheme, maybe a displacement, who knows? Migration and displacement of people, especially farmers. This is a point you can add. It's not necessary. Migration, what else? Let's recall the drawing. I have here the high steep. Yes. May cause flooding if the dam deteriorate or fail. It may cause flooding. Like this, I just filled everything. Like, I just wrote anything in my mind, and that is probably the answer for this question. What are the advantages and disadvantages of hydroelectric dams?